y'all. I'm Lori with Arkansas Yarn Company, and I am here today with Lindsay from Always Yarn First podcast. And today is our sneak peek of the June box of the Sock Yarn Society. And so we are super excited to open. Lindsay's going to open up her Sock Yarn Society box for you.
Oh boy.
I know, isn't it good? I know I say this every single month.
It's your very
but
favorite?
Every single month, I am just absolutely in love with every single month.
Well, this one just looks like summer.
It does.
Looks like summer sunshine.
I love it.
And again, this is the sparkle base.
Y'all,
yeah, you can see it
look
right there.
at those speckles. The most delicate green speckles. I wanted to add a little bit of extra color to it because lemons always have a little bit of green to them, and then also their leaves. And so I wanted that speckling to be super delicate because I wanted the yellow to shine through.
Okay, then we have a little yarn cake cozy of lemons. Cute.
Isn't that adorable? So it's a 50-gram skein cozy, and then it's made by the Cajun Crafter, and it's also the Cajun Crafter on Etsy. And then her Instagram is craftyismeg76, and she made these special for us. I sent her the fabric.
I love it. It's cute.
It is. And then Jessica made these pretty little cards to go with it because I just felt like it needed a little explanation, but it fits those 50-gram cakes so perfectly.
Yeah. All right, then let's do the food and drink.
Yes.
Lemon
Lemon
heads.
tea, lemon heads.
Yeah.
Lemon heads are one of my very favorite candies. I love them. I grew up in the 80s, and so this is what I ate all the time.
Okay, here comes the stitch marker close-up.
I love them so much. So in the Arkansas Yarn Co. Progress Keeper are lemon slices.
That's adorable.
They're lemon slices, so we just love it. And then there is Lori's lemon bar recipe in card included as well.
Totally making these. I love lemon bars.
Can you make them and bring them here? Because I love them, but I
Yeah.
don't like baking.
But I feel like you should have made me some lemonade this morning.
I know, right? I know. I know.
I love lemons, so
I
I'm
love
all
it.
about.
So I am
This.
not a yellow fan. My mother loves yellow. And yellow roses are her favorite. I am not a fan of yellow, but I am a fan of this.
This reminds me a lot of the other yellow where I made the cozy for you.
Uncle John's daffodils.
Yes.
I actually have that yarn with me that you're talking about, and I know it seems like it's the same, but it's actually, well, I thought I did.
It's green. I made it into the cozy for you.
It's not quite this.
This one is more delicate looking.
Yes,
I think.
I did
More
not
white.
want giant speckles like that.
Yeah.
And I used a different yellow to do the speckling on this than I did on that.
This yellow is definitely more like sunshine bright.
It is. It's actually lemon drop.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I love it, and I love that Lindsay made me a skein cozy.
So you know I like yellow.
I love it.
And we didn't say what the name of the yarn was. Squeeze the Day.
Yay.
Love it.
I love it too. This particular box makes me super happy. It's so pretty.
It's sunshine.
We have been working on our hashtag the Chevron Your Itch blanket make along. Have you?
I've seen more lately.
Yeah, there's a lot more people working on them. And then I just shared information after I posted my picture recently. I had about 3 people send me a message asking me what my specifics were and how I did mine. And so I gave them my details.
Yeah.
So It's beautiful. I can't wait for people to see yours because I'm behind.
Well,
as
I'm behind
always.
too, but I did manage to get, let me hold that end up.
I sure will.
Last month's color, some of it in there, which is Cherry Blossoms.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it looks so good knit up.
Cherry
Lori.
Blossoms
Yeah.
is so pretty. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I love
this
it too.
is so pretty. Let's hold it up one more time and get
Okay.
it full screen. Y'all. Lindsay, it's so
It's
stunning.
good. My goal is really to catch up this next month with it. So
My goal is that too. I have car knitting, and so we're leaving to go to the beach, and so I have some car knitting, and I'm like way more behind on mine than you are. Oh, bother! I didn't.
Oh, you're in the
I
middle.
didn't.
That's okay.
I didn't finish my
Okay.
row, but this is mine, and I really like feathering mine. So I like doing. If obviously it's going to come up, but I like doing my wedding cake, and then a color, and then wedding cake, and then into the color, and then doing wedding cake, and then exiting with the color into the next color. I love to fade, and so right now that's where I'm at on mine. Is I'm fading into all the wedding cake, and I don't know what I'm like completely sporadic with mine. I don't know if my next graphite section is going to be. It may have three. It may have.
I think that's what the joy
Yeah.
of, to me, a chevron project like this should be relaxing, enjoyable. I'm just trying to catch up because I want to highlight Lori's yarn and what it looks like knit up, at least a bit
so
of it.
pretty.
So my goal every month when we film these is to have at least some of last month's color so you could see what you missed out and why you need to sign up for the Sock Yarn Society box.
Lindsay, we have had so many people asking
Yeah.
to get in.
Yeah.
So I think we are getting ready to open it up again for more subscribers. So my goal is another 100 subscribers. So then I'll have 200. So I'm so excited about it.
Look what you've been missing out on.
It's so gorgeous. It's so, look how pretty they are.
Yep.
I love how different but the sameness they are.
They're both stunning, and they'll both be super luxurious, gorgeous blankets.
And they're both sparkle. We are in love with the sparkle.
Sparkle base, held double, so it's like a
Yes.
DK consistency.
Yes.
And so just a reminder again to enter in to the make along. You can crochet or knit a chevron blanket.
That's the criteria. That's
Yep.
it. It
That's
just has to be a blanket. It can be a baby blanket.
Yep.
It can be an adult throw. It
Yep.
can be a queen size. It can be a king size. It doesn't matter.
We're going till the end of next January because
Yes.
we are using 1 year of Lori's Sock Yarn Society
Yes.
box. So we
Yes.
started pretty much the beginning of February. So we're going till the end of January, so you have tons of time. If you use Lori's yarn, you get 2 entries in on her Ravelry group
Yes.
page when you post. But you can use scraps, whatever you have. It's a
Absolutely.
great stash buster.
There's no requirement that it's my yarn. It's just what we are doing. Actually, we have quite a number of people that are doing this
Yep.
with us. But I was giving my instructions to a girl, and she had somebody else's yarn, and she had a collection of it, and she wanted to do a blanket. I think it was like Broadway, and so And we do not care if it's my yarn or not. That's not the point. The point is to join our community and do this with us. And then Lindsay draws prizes periodically through the Instagram account. So make sure that you're hashtagging the Chevron Year Itch so that you get it. So you get an entry.
And as always, underneath this video, I will link the 2 patterns we are using. And I think both of them are free, if I'm not mistaken.
Mine, it used to be free, but
Okay.
now it's a paid for
Okay,
pattern.
and mine is a free pattern.
And yours is free. Mm-hmm.
But again, any chevron pattern you want, knit or crochet. There's always so many you can find.
Just has to be a blanket.
Mm-hmm.
Just has to be a blanket, that's all.
So join us because we're having a good time.
We are loving it.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Well, I guess that is, do we have any other updates?
Nope, just sign up for the Sock Yarn Society if you
will-
want to get on the wait list.
Yes. You're going to love it. We love it. I am already starting to pick out all the things for next month.
Oh boy.
And so I have to kind of wait to see how many new subscribers we have so I know how much to get. But I'm like,
Yeah.
I am so excited about it.
It's totally worth it.
Y'all, I am so in love with May's cherry blossoms.
Yeah.
It is
so
like
good.
the perfect pink. This is
My nails are
my
kind of
perfect pink.
crazy on it.
I don't even have polish on today. I wish I did. But yes, this is like one of my favorite parts of the month.
Yeah.
Because Lindsay comes over and we get to do this, and it's just another minute we get to share with y'all, and we spend the day together, and it makes me happy. Anyway, I think that is all, but I hope y'all have a really great day, and thanks for joining us. Bye, y'all.
Bye.